Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats. I get 2 Walmart boxes every quarter. It is $8.98 for the Walmart box, and I get 2. I saw people doing that. Oh, I've been getting 1 for a long time. Started getting 2 to my address, and they were the same version. There's variations, versions, whatever. And so I stopped that. I did that 1 or 2 months, and then I decided to try to send it. I have a P.O. box that that y'all can write to me or whatever, and then I use my home address as well. So I get 2 different boxes, 2 different variations. How this works though is I got 1 box, I don't know, last week or the week before, and now I got the second box. So this is my second box. This is my first box. I already showed you this. They're very similar. This is like lighter yellow. Maybe it's just bleach from the sun. I don't know. Let's see what's in it, and then I'll show you. We can compare real quick because I've already done a video on this one. I'll put that video below if you want to see everything in detail. But I cut this open. This box, they've been making boxes that are more sturdy the last couple times maybe. This is the summer quarter. When you open it, it looks like this. There's a brochure. And on the brochure is your version number. Also on your email where you paid is your version number. So let's see what we got. It says, hello sunshine, step into summer with this curated mix of beauty essentials. What I've been finding last season and this season is whatever's in this card, I get everything. Now I've seen some people open boxes here in the summer and the same is true, but then they might get something extra. That's not on the card. That didn't happen to me with my first box. Okay, blue is coming through. Blue, you'll have to sit down. This is, I think this box is sponsored by La Roche-Posay and Not Your Mother's brand. So we probably have those products in here. All right, we do have I don't have a Not Your Mother's, but I have La Roche-Posay. So this is 50, SPF 50, broad spectrum face and body. And let me see. Okay, blue, you're gonna have to, you can't get in the box. We don't want to see your bottom. We sure don't want to see your bottom. Sorry, y'all. Loves to show us his bottom. That means he loves you. Isn't that what that means? Okay, good boy, sit down. He's right here. La Roche-Posay. It's Anthelios UV Pro Sport Sunscreen. I got this in the other box as well. This is a sample, of course. The full size is $32.97 for 6.7 fluid ounces. It's expensive, but because it's a sport SPF, it stays on you for 80 minutes. So if you get wet, if you're playing volleyball or something, it'll stay on you, which is really nice. There's a lot of similar stuff to my first box. We got the Nair wax strips. This is just has 8 wax strips in here. The full size is 40 in a package. It's $7.82 for the full size. This is the Nair Face and Bikini Hair Removal Strips. It says it's orchid and cherry blossom extracts. It says that it's 97% natural. It says origin formula instead of original formula. Dermatologist tested. It says free sample, not for sale. I don't know, hair removal stuff usually smells bad. Maybe, I can't smell anything. Maybe it has some orchid and cherry blossom scent in there. I'm not real sure. Okay, blue. Go on, Lovey. Go on through, y'all. Go on through. Then we have Great Lash Mascara. Y'all, I haven't had Great Lash Mascara in a long time. I used to always use it. Love it. This is a waterproof, which is great for summer. So this is the Blackest Black. That's what I used to love, the Blackest Black. They also have a brown that I like. So this is not full size. A full size, it's going to be a little bit bigger. The full size is $6.82. That's it, y'all. It's good mascara. I haven't used it in a long time, but I used to use it all the time. It was fabulous. Maybelline Great Lash Waterproof Mascara. Very black. The lengthening mascara, this lengthening mascara, clean and volume building formula, delivers volume without clumps or globs and conditions lashes with each coat. This is a great, inexpensive mascara. Really, really like it. We also have a 3-pack of chapstick. This is Chapstick I Love Summer Collection. And this is a full size. It's $3.88. And there's pink lemonade, peaches and cream, and sweet watermelon. I think that's the same pack I got in the other one. So, but that's okay. It's good to have this extra stuff. Okay, I'm seeing something. Now, the other 3 items that I have, I did not get in my first box. So I'm happy to have some different things. What is this? This is the Lip Bar, TLB, the Lip Bar Vegan Lip Gloss in Trophy Wife. The full size is $14.74, which is 0.3 fluid ounces. This is, boy, I don't see a measurement. Let's see, let's open it up and see. It's sealed on both sides. Well, of course it's sealed. Let me see if I can get it open. And let's take a look at it. The Lip Bar, you know, I don't know this number. You know, the other thing about this box is everything we get in this box is at Walmart or Walmart.com. I think that's going to be the color. It looks more like a, you know, like an overgloss. Oh, is it? Look at how pretty this is, y'all. Let me see. I want to see if it says the size. Trophy Wife is the color. The actual lip balm, I'm looking with a whatever this is called, magnifying glass. It doesn't have a weight on this. So because it looks small, but I wonder if that's full size. That's what I'm looking to see if it's full size. It says it's moisturizing with argan oil. Start in your inner corner of your lips and glide on until both lips are saturated in a sheer wash of color. Be sure to be precise around your Cupid bow for a perfect pout. Founded and owned by women of color, designed for your color. And I'm not seeing, here it is. This is 1.25 ounces. This is way smaller than the full size. The full size is 0.3 fluid ounces. Wait a second. 1.25 ml. So it's 0.0423 fluid ounces. So it's quite small. But this is beautiful packaging. It is a frosted container, but it's not glass. It looks like glass, but it's plastic. And then look at this beautiful lid. It's really on there tight. Let's just, I was going to say, I don't know if I'll try it, but I will. Look at how pretty that lid is, or that, isn't that beautiful? It's going to be a doe foot, yeah. It doesn't really, I think it's not going to have much color. Look at that, it has a beautiful sheen. So I have lipstick on, so this is the kind of thing you would put over. You could just use it by yourself, it'll moisturize your lips, or you can put it over. And it adds a nice shimmer. That's beautiful. Oh, it's very moisturizing. And I just am impressed with that. It's so pretty. Very nice, very nice. It feels really good. So did I say the full size was $14.74 for that? Okay. And then we have a little Nootrops, functional Nootrops gummies. The full size is $19.97. It says there's 12 servings. I have had some vitamins from, is it Grun's, that looks like packaging like this. It has a bear like that, so maybe it's from the same company. I'm looking to see if there's a name on here, what the main company is. But it's packaged like this. You buy a box and then you get, you know, this is because it's pre-dosed. These are gummies, and this one tastes like lemon clouds. It says it's a single serving in here, dietary supplement, and it supports cognitive, energy, brain health, mood, gut health, and sleep. It's got a lot going on. What I have to say this to y'all, I do not like. Okay, it does. It has the ingredients. I was going to say, I didn't think the ingredients are on there. They're right there in the middle. This has cordyceps, lion's mane, and reishi mushroom is in here also. those are things that my doctor tells me not to take because I'm on blood pressure medicine. You do what your doctor says. I can feel in here 1, 2, maybe 4 or 5 gummies. So that would be 1 serving, it says. So I will not be trying this. I have had, I think from the same brand, it's not Nootrops, it's not called, so maybe it's not this brand, but they're greens. They're the one I have with the bear, that's a green package. They're greens, like they give you your daily greens. So they're not this thing. I wouldn't mind taking something for energy and brain health, but I just can't take these items in here, these ingredients. So if you get this box, if you get something like this, make sure it's okay with your doctor to take it. So I really don't like supplements like that in a box, unless they're just regular vitamins or something that we all should or can take. Does that make sense? I hope. Okay, and next I have a full-size product in here. I'm really surprised by this. This is L'Oreal Paris Elvive, and this is the Big Lift Volumizing Mousse with Collagen Peptides. So this is $7.97 for this 5 point. Now it says this is full size. I don't care what this brochure says. It says 5.1 fluid ounces is a full size. This says it's 6 ounces, which is bigger than 5.1. So there are some typos on this doohickey here. So Big Lift Volumizing Mousse. That's what I like. So this is, you probably shake this real good, then you'll push on this and the foam will come out here. So that is something I will definitely try. I love that kind of thing for my hair. It gives me some lift and volume. So y'all, this was a great box. This version, here's my brochure. Here's everything in it. Everything here is what I got. There's 7 products. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, they're all, what's on here is what I got. And then down here is our version. Now, it's a little weird because it says S. That used to mean summer. And then it says 25. So has this been packaged since last year? It's possible. So that should mean the year. So S25. And then it says V, variation, version 8. This is version 8. So the one previous, I think I had version 2. Let me see what she says. I got less, well, I got about the same amount of stuff in here. I got all 7 of these items, and my variation here is 2. So this was this sachet of shampoo and conditioner, this sachet of spot, like pimple patches, but there's a lot in here, y'all. This has 20 in here. This is half the package of the full size. We got the Nair. We got the chapsticks, and we got these gimme hair bands. They're super soft. They feel really good. If I had some hair going on, I would love to use these. I think they're so soft, I think you can sleep with this in your hair. And we got, of course, the La Roche-Posay, and then we got a product from Not Your Mother's. The one I got in here is the hair protectant. All Eyes on Me hair protectant, which I like this kind of thing also for when I blow dry my hair. So y'all, that's my 2 beauty boxes, variation 2 and variation 8. Which variation did you get? Do you get this? I don't know if I'll continue getting 2 variations. It's just sort of fun a little bit to show you guys more than one. But I don't really need to. I think if you like channels like mine that show us beauty subscriptions, and you can't afford the beauty subscriptions because they can be a little high, this one is affordable. Most everybody could afford this because it's $8.98 every 3 months. They send you an email before it's time to bill you to let you know, so that you know it's coming, And there is, depends on your state, there's sales tax. Whatever your state charges for sales tax. So great boxes. I think this very summer has been a great season from what I've seen. There's not a lot of differences between the boxes. You see, I got, the La Roche-Posay, we got the chapstick, we got the Nair in both boxes. So I've seen some boxes that are almost exactly the same as mine. There's one item different. So I'm glad I got a second box that has different stuff in it. I'm real happy about that. So y'all take care. Count your blessings. So good to see you. Bye-bye.